So hopefully by next month, we would like to speed up this matter.
Autonomous District Council, Jong Khasi, Jaiñtia, but Garo, Baro Kalum, Kinsapalat Yakarai, Biki Pyrshah, Yaka Jingpyntreikam, Yaka Uniform Civil Code, Hapo Kijaka Kibaha, Haga 6th Schedule, Haba Karench Kilat Pathai Hubor, Haga Arhusau Tarek Uyayong, Chief Executive Member, Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Uba Tita Starwell Khan, Ulaong by Kilay Tiliki Council, Kilaya Silong Halor Kajingkwa Kasorkar Padeng, Benpenrum Yaka UCC.
Intention of the central government to introduce their bill of uniform civil code in the country. So we feel that UCC will directly had an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have anonymously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the sixth schedule area will be totally opposed. We will pass also a resolution in our respective council soon regarding this matter.
Ka Council Kalaya Ru Halor Kajingdan Kam Benpenrum Yaka Village Development Council Bill, Haki Council Benpentikana, Baka Jingpyntreikam Yaka Village Council, Kat Kum Kajingpatha Naka Sorkar Padeng, Benpenkala Yaka 6th Schedule, Kan Treikam Haki Shnong, Baki Kanton Kibaha Haka 6th Schedule Hamikalaya. Katkum kajingyat ho uba titos khan ki kwa baka jingpyntkalai ka 6th schedule hauni usnam Henry tanglada lalla banpenpen ikiman bayade bat ka Jingpyntreikam Jangka Village Council bat ki jaj benrio pampat ithua.
Yeah, there are two issues they have, especially for two autonomous district council. Because if they pass this village development council also, I think they have to call for a special session. So hopefully by next month, we would like to speed up this matter because, as I have said, I have mentioned that we want at least amendment of six schedule should be taken place within this year, so that we, from our side, we will speed up this matter. This matter has been kept for so long. So we would like that amendment of sixth schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues. That is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe.